All right, so now it is finally time once again to rip the Traxxas XMAXX bone stock. The only difference is instead of running the HRB 6500 packs, which were 65C, now we are running a 7200 100C 200 burst pack from Power Hobby. So we're going to toss these batteries in and we'll see what these things can do with this XMAXX. We're going to take it over to the jump spot. So anyways, if you want to watch this episode from RC Guy Garage, you point blank, you already know what to do and you know what we're ripping. Traxxas XMAXX. Let's see how XMAXX this XMAXX really is. Oh, come on. The rollover master. Guess in the thick sand, that's what it's going to be like, huh? Oh, come on. Hey, look at that. Damn. Holy crap. Oh, body off. Oh my God. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Body eject. Is that like a feature that this thing has? Is that like an XMAXX feature? Body eject? I think it is. I gotta learn how to drive this thing. I want to jump it. I want to jump it like literally way up there. I could probably take that line right up there. Or right here. Ah. Fail. Trying to see if I can make it up that hill. I should be able to make it up. Oh! Doesn't like the hill. kind of uneventful. Hey, and the body stayed on. Ah! All right, well, that's something that I'm actually not liking about the XMAXX right now, is these goddamn walk of shames. Not used to this crap. Or run of shame, chariots of fire going. Oh, I think that was a big rock. Oh. I see like potential jumps. Oh, come on. Another roll. Ah. Come from way over there. We'll get a nice run up. How's that? Takes a licking, keeps on ticking, right? Ah! That was a joke. Ah, another damn rock. Recover. Tires are like oddly out of balance. Get a run up from there. Full speed. Ah, again we hit the damn mountain. Hit the wrong mound. One last jump. Ah! What's that, the famous last words? One last jump. And my camera wasn't recording that whole time? You've got to be kidding me. Come on. SD card full. You see that? SD card full. Nice. Ah. All right, well, I guess it's going to be just GoPro footage from now on. Hopefully the GoPro's still ripping it. Because what I want to do now is I want to just launch it right off of there. It is the XMAXX, right? It's supposed to take every bit of abuse. Well, let's see what it can do. Ah, no, it is what it is. You know what I think? Shouldn't it? I think now it's going to record from the internal storage. So, yeah, that's not going to work. Oh, 10 minutes, yeah. It'll work. What do they call this? Like I said, they call this that walk of shame. So, oh, this thing's ripping pretty nice. It's different. It's a different kind of vehicle. Oh, 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 oh. This thing should be able to make it to the top. Come on, it's the XMAXX, right? Ah, that overhang's just killing it. Ah, I should be able to get up there. I gotta get the right angle. Oh, oh, going down, Houston with dead stick. It just does not like to land back on its wheels, man. Oh, that was pretty cool. I think I like the idea of that. Ah. Oh, the sand is so so fine. Oh, do you hear that noise? No, cut short. Oh man. Alright, so GoPro off. So I have no idea what happened to the XMAXX now. Did we strip the spur? Did we slip the pinion? More sounds like the pinion. So now it's the walk of shame. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this episode from RC Guy Garage, ripping the Traxxas XMAXX. Literally full trigger, no fear, don't care nothing about nothing, just rip it and go. They do normally call this the walk of shame, but for this particular case, it's actually not. So we did slip the pinion, I believe. Hope we didn't strip the spur, but if we did, I do have steel spurs. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the aftermath is. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know. So anyways, if you like episodes like this from RC Guy Garage, there's point blank ripping the Traxxas XMAXX to within an inch of its own life. So we're just out here trying to rip it before the storm. See those clouds are rolling in. It's supposed to get pretty nasty. So like I always say, if you like episodes like this from RC Guy Garage, you point blank, you already know what to do. So just get out there and rip. Oh, jeez. Into the woods. Holy crap. Oh, body off. Oh my God. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.